Okay, we'll start off with using the ConCavex swivel in the hand. Here we're using a 24-inch Squeegee and a water-fed scrubber with white scrubby pads on it. And as you can see, it's quite easily. Just wipe the ledge here. So now we'll proceed to doing it on a little bit larger glass. You can see it's water-fed, white scrubby pad, and I'll just scrub it. I'll just speed it up a little bit. It gets a bit boring this bit, so I'll just speed it up a little bit. And now I'll show you how we squeegee it with the movement. As you can see, the movement actually moves with your movement. All you are doing is just moving the pole backwards and forwards, and the squeegee itself's doing all the work, as you can see. And the next one here that's coming up, we've already soaped it up, and same thing, a little bit larger glass. As you can see, it's all the same, and it's just the same movement. You just got to move back, up and down, and the squeegee itself does its rest. It just moves with the way you're moving the pole. It's simple as that. No taking it off and on the pole and that. And that's this one. And finally, okay, we're going to show you how we use the scrubber squeegee on the higher glass here. As you can see, you just scrub and squeegee. And we're using a 20-inch squeegee there. And now we'll show you a bit bigger glass, and you can see the sign just behind there. We've got a clean behind there as well. I've just wetted the glass, and I'll scrub it the first half like this. Take note, I'm stepping side on to the glass. You can use the squeegee much easier with the ConCavex Disc on it. It manoeuvres much easier than if you had a standard WAGTAIL swivel. As you can see, we've done the first half here, and now we'll scrub this side behind the sign carefully, of course. Scrub the bottom. Right, now squeegee behind the sign like this, carefully, of course, back and behind it again. And now you can just do the rest like this, and then finish it off like this. And that's how it's done. I suppose